Where are we today?
The Science Museum.
Perot? The Perot Science Museum, huh?
Okay.
Yep. Super excited.
Yeah.
Dinosaurs. The escalator's about to end. What are we doing? Creating a bird. Build your own bird.
And then choose which one you want.
And how you need the feathers.
Feathers.
There we go. Here is Ella's bird. Do you like it? Majestic J. Pretty. There's your bird, yep. Swift Chick is Gracie's bird.
This is my bird.
Wait, you get to fly your bird once you make it, or is this just a...
I think this is separate.
Okay.
William's going to have it.
Alright. Oh, there you go.
Oh, so close.
Oh, just missed it.
Squat down, Gracie.
You guys gonna do the dinosaur? Alright, battle! Are you prey or predator? Poison spray versus what? Poison spray one. Wings versus shell. What are wings gonna do? No. James wins. Looks like we got good balance.
Climbing Mount Everest or Mount Kilimanjaro, that is pretty impressive. That is.
Oh, he uses it.
Imperial Flame Gem. You like this?
Yeah. I never knew that blue topaz is the official state gem of Texas.
Blue Topaz,
And
official
actually,
state
blue
gem of
gemstones
Texas.
are in Mason Country, Texas.
Now it's gonna drip up. If James, put yours down more.
It is all the way down.
It should drip up.
Abby needs to get
There we go. You're learning about topography? Islands. Wait, start over. This is Klyde Warden Park.
It's really boring.
Why?
There's only 12 and under you can play.
Okay, there's nothing for you to do. You could frolic on the grass. Ella! Ella! Hello!
Can I take my shoes off and go there?
You gonna go play in the water?